How's it going, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube video as a greenkeeper in South Africa. Now for my first video, I would just like to introduce you to the course I'm working at, to myself, and what you guys can expect on this golf course and in these YouTube videos. Now if you read the description, you'll see I'm a greenkeeper, but I'm also a golf fan, so I like to play golf every now and then. So you guys will see me play golf. You'll follow my journey as I try to improve to be better at golf. I'm a 14 handicap, so I'm trying to improve that a bit. Now, as I'm saying, the facilities I work on is Skimmyard Golf Course and driving range. So it's a beautiful golf course in the middle of Pretoria in Moraletta Park. It is a farm, so there is hiking trails for you to come and hike on, to bring a family on hikes, with 4 restaurants. It is an 18-hole golf course consisting of a 12-hole executive course, where we have 3 par 4s and then 1 par 5. The rest is par 3s. And in the next 6 holes consist of par 3s only. So it's a great course for beginners, an easy to play golf course, no bunkers on the golf course, a bit of water for a challenge. But it's a really easy golf course for beginners. The greens consist of Synodon, which is not typical for golf courses in this area. It is a warm season golf course, so the greens will go brown during winter as it goes dormant. So the speeds will pick up, growth will slow down, just like the rest of the golf course goes dormant during winter because it is kikuyu, tees, fairways and rough. So to introduce you guys a bit to me, my name is Franco de Beer. I am a greenkeeper. I've started my studies in 2020. And yeah, 2020 we got lockdown. 2021 I finished where I started working at CCJ. After that I continued working at CCJ while also gaining experience at Copperleaf, where I resurfaced some greens. I went to Peekanoot, where we hosted the My Golf Live Classic in 2022, and in also 2022 I headed on my way to America to complete a year's internship at the Ohio State program, where I worked on 2 great golf courses in New Jersey and in Florida. While in America, I had great mentors to show me the way, and I also volunteered in free tournaments as the US Amateur at my host golf course, Ridgewood Country Club. I also did a live event at Trump Bedminster, and then I also did a LPGA event, the Cognizant Founders Cup. After I came back from America in 2024, I started working for Golf Data again at one of the best golf courses in South Africa named Steyn City. Then I went to Wingate Park after that, and now I'm at Skimmyard, where I'm the head greenkeeper at only 23 years old. So that's me, that's my story. Now let me tell you a bit more about the golf course. Like I said, it's an 18-hole course. Only 3 par 4s, 1 par 5, great for beginners. There's a lot of maintenance here to be done, which I'll explain as we go along in this journey. Now yeah, please, if you ever want to come visit the golf course, you're more than welcome to. Like I said, there's a lot of fun hiking trails here. There's some wildlife here as well, with some hermit monkeys, some blesbok and some cows that you'll see as you play golf or as you do the hiking trails. There's also 4 brilliant restaurants here with fantastic food. So guys, come and visit, come and enjoy yourself, play golf, do some hiking, and yeah, please follow along on the journey as I teach you guys more about maintenance, and follow me along on my journey with golf as well. Thank you guys, hope to see more of you. Cheers.